Jeanette's gonna lead us on a word of prayer to begin our meeting.
You'll bow with me, please. Lord, we come before you to first thank you for this beautiful day, and every day that you give us is a great day, God. Whether the craziness or whatever's going on with it, it's just a good day because you've given it to us. Thank you for your sovereignty. Thank you for being the wonderful Father that you are. And God, I pray that during this meeting that we are able to focus on what you have called all the people to do, all these gentlemen to do in handling the county affairs. But God, most of all during this, and as I said, in all the craziness that goes on, I pray that we can be still and know that you are God and that you are totally in control and that we answer to you most of all. God, thank you again for always loving us, and thank you most of all for your son, Jesus. Amen.
Thank you, Jeanette. First, we got the county administrator items. First is a request to authorize the Comptroller, Bookkeeper to void old outstanding checks. These are checks that were either errors or been lost or reissued. Have a motion?
So moved.
Second.
Mr. Randy made the motion, Steve made the second. All in favor? Motion carries.
And I have the list of checks that she's given me. It totals $2,847.92. $2,847.92.
All right. Union County School Bus turnarounds. You got those?
I have those. These are located on County Road 88, County Road 172, and County Road 168.
No problem, 72, that's mine.
88 years.
88's mine.
88 years.
168, not you.
Yeah. She's in 68.
And then 168,
You got two of them.
Williams.
Mentioning school bus, that reminded me, we got Darren graduation Thursday 10 in
Do I have a motion to approve those turnarounds?
I'll make a motion. Second.
Steve made the motion, Chad second. All in favor? Motion carries. Discuss renewing health insurance for Blue Cross and Gulf Guaranty as the gap coverage. I think we didn't receive any other bids. Motion to approve them.
Second.
Motion by Randy. Second by Sam. All in favor?
So it's keeping with Blue Cross.
It's staying with our current provider. Alright, next we'll move on to Chancery Clerk items. Monthly budget report for January 2022.
This is for the entire county, everybody's department where we have the budget report, if y'all need to review it. I think y'all have reviewed it. Some of you have, but you go get ready.
I've already looked
Oh, you were, okay.
at it. Everything looked good to me.
Do I have a motion to approve the budget report?
I'll make a motion.
Chad made the motion. Sam seconded. All in favor? Motion carries. Next we got payment to the Chancery Clerk for term of court.
I like putting, the statute there so y'all know that's. So the statute says you need to pay.
We have to pay you.
We could take this on our drive. I'll make it.
Chad makes a motion.
Thank you.
Second.
Steve will second it. All in favor?
That's a different house from what
Motion carries.
54, County Road 54.
Next, we have a notice for a hearing for cleaning of private property on County Road 51. same piece of property. We've done this before in the past. I guess you've got all the
I
paperwork.
do, I have paperwork on it, and we're having the public hearing on Monday, March 21st at 10 o'clock. That'll be at our second board meeting in March.
Make a motion.
March 21st.
Sam made a motion. Randy made a second. All in favor?
That we have to advertise
Motion
on there.
carries.
Did it change?
Yes, he'll need to advertise.
They asked me earlier and I wasn't sure about
He needs to
that.
advertise for it, so.
What's that cleaning up?
Pardon me?
What's that cleaning up?
Let's read through it.
It's a mess.
Somebody's yard.
It's
It's
a health and safety issue
It says
for
this,
everybody.
yes, pursuant to Mississippi Code annotated, section 19.5105, it's to conduct the public hearing to determine whether the property is in such a state of uncleanliness as to be a menace to the public health, safety, and welfare of the community. So that's, I don't know specifics if you want to go out there, but
Well, there's a few more of those around in some places. What have you gotta do to get them cleaned up? Board them?
you have to, yeah, you would just give us the county road number, and then we have to have a public hearing
Where's
to
that at,
see,
Sam?
to check it out.
Right
Yes, sir.
past, Brian's house on the right.
Last time the landowner cleaned it up, didn't
Brian.
Yo, Brian.
I'm thinking he.
Oh,
That same property was cleaned up by.
Is that the same property?
We took, now it's right back where it's at.
Yeah.
Food.
I just remember somebody did, you're right.
Yeah, I see.
They sell food out of that yard and everything.
Yes.
They cleaned it up themselves.
Yeah, they cleaned it up themselves.
When you're dealing with private property, it's gotta be something hazardous out there, in order to make them clean it up. You can't just, you gotta have a reason to do it.
Alright. Next we move on to Ms. Phyllis's stuff. Payment to the circuit clerk for services as registrar. Have a motion. Steve made a motion.
Second.
Randy second. All in favor? Motion carries. Request of payment to the election commissioners for the per diem days earned.
Make a motion.
Second.
Chad made the motion, Sam seconded it. All in favor? Motion carries. Alright, next we got Ms. Bowman's stuff. Request of payment for medical examiner statements of fees, 10 of them. I know I got those in the email.
I'll make a motion.
Second.
Chad made the motion, Randy made the second. All in favor? Motion carries. Nothing from the tax assessor today. Sheriff would like to request of approval of inventory deletions from the Union County Jail.
That's, some kind of relay or something that was in dispatch and relay box and relay computer and that was a car that totaled that.
Do I have a motion to approve these deletions?
I'll make a motion. Or second, who won?
How you want to do it?
I went.
Randy made a motion, I second.
You good with it?
I'm good with it.
Just do it like you usually do.
Okay.
Give me the
Randy made the
notes,
motion.
meal.
Just let me have one when you want.
Gotten better.
Chad
Thing.
It got a little better and I think it's eatable now.
We're good.
All in favor? Motion carries. Alright, next, road department. Discuss quotes for an engine for a backhoe.
Skip the emergency man.
Oh, shoot. I was going.
They may want to come back to him.
Yeah, we'll do it. Emergency management, discuss quotes on diving gear for EMA to be funded by a grant.
Yes, all 100% funded off of, Homeland Security grants to get, y'all got the quotes somewhere here.
Okay, we have one from Dive Rescue International,
They're the lowest, and the other one is,
$10,068.11, and then Scuba Center is $11,563.96.
Low bid's $10,000. They both, you done seen them, they're identical. Yep. Pieces of equipment.
we like never found.
Motion to approve.
Have a motion to approve the low bid of Dive Rescue International.
Second.
Randy made the motion. Second by Sam, all in favor? Motion carries. Now, we're gonna go to road department.
Don't you have any more?
No, we're scratching that.
Oh, we're not doing that,
That's
okay.
been around a few days.
Where's this?
We'll
Okay.
take pass on the burn ban.
Okay.
Sorry, should told.
That's all good.
Road department. Now we're gonna discuss quotes for an engine for a backhoe.
I'm not really sure which is the engine, if this makes sense. That's not the engine,
Yeah, I got
is it?
them, you need them, you got it
Engine.
too, though, I think. One from Denham and one from Strudley.
Okay, that's not the engine.
No, these are.
Oh, wait, here's the engine. No? Oh, that's the solid waste stuff. Terry, maybe that's okay. It's from who? Dribbling and who?
Yeah, Stribling is one, 68, 64.
He said nowhere home.
And there, yeah, well, she's got a copy of them. She emailed them to
Alright,
purchase card.
we got two quotes. One from Scribbling Equipment, $6,864.29 for a long block with a oil pump. Denham Tractor and Equipment, complete long block, $7,950. Scribbling's a little over $1,000 cheaper.
I'll make a motion to get it contributed.
Motion, Chad.
Second.
Second, Steve. All in favor? Motion carries.
Dribbling was lower.
Yes, ma'am.
It was fixed up.
Do you have any more of these? Cutters. Coat. All in favor?
Those are all two. Those are what? That's the backhoe, isn't it?
No, these
That's not the backhoe.
are, these are
This was the backhoe, that's,
these are cutters.
okay.
Next, we're going to discuss quotes for a boom mower. Two, both from John Deere, Wade Equipment at Pontotoc.
And that's the 16 and 19.
That's right. We got a 16-foot reach with a 42-inch cutting deck, $15,235. 19-foot reach with a 48-inch cutting deck, $18,409.
Only gets 48. What was the first one?
The 48, the 42-inch is $15,235. They're both Hardys.
You only get 48 from the 19 foot.
You got a motion to approve the bid for the 19-foot reach, 48-inch cutting head by Randy. Do I have a second?
I'll say.
Chad, on the second. All in favor? Motion carries.
Seems like it was at 18,409, that one.
I'm just on the bridge, go ahead, when you're sitting, trying to clear it. On the bridge, sitting on the bridge.
That was right there, wasn't it?
I'm gonna go back to him.
The 19.
18.
Yeah, 19 foot,
The 18.
48.
I'm just saying, that you don't have to go out 19 foot.
Terry, is there any reason to discuss these bids on the reverse auction right now?
Y'all gonna take them under advisement, aren't you? So Doug was gonna come and
Yeah,
present them,
Doug's not here. to
and he
walk
was
through 'em.
sick, so. take 'em
Next,
under
solid
advisement.
waste department, discuss bids from reverse auction for automatic solid waste residential pickup. That's the one we'd advertised for a while back. But Doug Wiggins wasn't able to come to walk through the bids with us right now. Do I have a motion to take those, all bids
Make a
under
motion.
advisement?
I'll make a motion.
Second.
Motion by Steve, second by Randy, all in favor? Motion carries. Next, discuss quotes for dumpsters for the solid waste department.
Also make a motion, take that under advisement.
The dumpsters?
We're just not talking about
No, this is,
It's different.
these are
This is just
like
dumpsters,
our
like
regular
I
commercial.
thought you was talking about
No, all that's together.
okay, I'm sorry.
Now, these are gonna be our rear load commercial dumpsters,
Just buying some new ones.
adding to our inventory.
You have one for plum container. I'll let you read
What
that.
yard is it?
It's, a 6 yard and a 4 yard. I got plum container, I got, these are both for, both quotes here. 3 quotes.
No, well, she said this goes with
Well, is
that.
that together?
Yeah, this is together, because this is explaining the
Oh,
cost
that's the
of it.
spec sheet. Okay,
Yes.
2 quotes. One from Plum Container, it would be 2 6 yard rear loaders, 2 4 yard rear loaders, delivered to New Albany, $8,690. 4 to 5 week lead time. The other quote is from Iron Container, 2 4 yards, 2 6 yards, delivered to New Albany, $7,475. $1,215 cheaper.
Make a motion, take both bids.
A motion from Sam to accept the low bid, which would be Iron Container.
Second.
Second by Randy. All in favor? Motion carries. Do I have any other business needs to be addressed?
Mr. President, in line with what we discussed about more information being made available, items 2, 3, and 4. 2B is payment to Chancery Clerk for term of court. How much is that?
And this is, the term of court was from October through February.
Okay.
So it's $8,670 from October to October, November, December, January, February.
$8,670.
Yes,
And on payment to the circuit clerk for services as registrar.
and the services registrar, just to clarify, is when she's assisting the election commissioners when they're looking. And she's able to get the same amount as the commissioners. Her total is $600, and then each commissioner is $600.
Each commissioner gets 600, which is the living amount.
Correct,
Be fine with that.
because they get, it's 6 days at $100 per day.
Correct. Finally, on medical examiner fees, total amount there.
It would be $175 times the 10, so $1,750.
Thank you.
Everything? You good, Mr. Jerry?
Good, thank you.
All right, do I have a motion to adjourn to Monday, March 7th?
Motion.
Motion by Randy. Second. Second by Steve. All in favor? Motion carries.